In this video, we will discuss about the range function used with the for loop. Python generate a sequence of numbers using range function. For example, range 10 will generate numbers from 0 till 9. We can also define the start, stop and step size as range. Range takes mainly 3 arguments. The syntax for the range function is range with start, stop, and step size in braces separated by comma, where start represents the starting sequence of integer. Stop represents the ending sequence of integer. Step represent the increment that needs to be done between each integer in the sequence. We can also combine the range function with the length function to iterate through a sequence using indexing. It basically helps to automatically calculates the length of the list automatically. We don't have to manually enter the range value due to this auto-length calculation and is helpful to calculate length of a dynamic list. The syntax is range with the length of list in braces. Let's test the for loop with the range function. A for loop is added with the range function with 5 as a parameter. Print statement is added to print the value of the range. The range value starts from 0. So when printed it should print 5 values starting from 0 as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When executed, we can see the value from 0 till 4 are getting printed. We can also define the start and the end range value, as defined here, from 1 till 5 separated using comma. Start range 1 means it will start from index 1. End range is 5, which means 5 minus 1, that is till index 4. So it should print the values as 1, 2, 3 and 4. When executed, we can see the values from 1 till 4 getting printed. We can also define 3 parameters as the start range, the end range and the step range. As defined here as 1, 20, 3. Start range 1 means it will start from index 1. End range is 20, which means 20 minus 1, that is till index 19. Step range 3 means it will increment by 3 between each integer from start range. So it will start from 1, then add 3 to it, which will make the next value to 4. Again, 3 added to 4 will make the next value as 7, and this will continue unless the maximum index value of 19 is reached. When executed, we can see the values 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19 getting printed. Let's test the range function using a list now. A list is declared with 6 values as A, B, C, D, E, and F. For statement is added to print all the list values. Once executed, we can see that all the values of the list are printed one by one. Next we will use the range function on the list as start index as 1 and end index as 4. Start index 1 represents character B and end index 4 represents D. Print statement is used to print the range values. Once executed, we can see that it prints three values as B, C, and D. Next we will define the list with three parameters as the start range, the end range, and the step range as defined here as 1:6:2. Start range 1 means it will start from character B. End range is 6, which means 6 minus 1, that is till index 5, which come to character F. Step range 2 means it will increment between each integer index. So it will start from B, then add 2 index to it, which will make the next value to D. Again 2 index is added to D, will make the next value as F. When executed, we can see that the values B, D, and F getting printed. So, this is how we can use the range function with the for loops in Python.